Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Bissell Crosswave vacuum, which advertises to vacuum and mop at the same time. So I'm going to test it on a few things. First, I'm just going to go ahead and clean my kitchen floors and see what it picks up. I cleaned my floors about 2 days ago, but today my kids were eating in the kitchen, so there has to be crumbs and stuff all over the floor, and we'll see what it picks up. And then I'm going to be testing it on cereal. I'm also going to test it on the rug, and I'm also going to drop an egg on the floor to see if it picks it up. So let's see how good this vacuum really is. Okay, so now I'm going to be testing out the Bissell on just regular dirty floors. I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen floors. I had a toddler that was eating in here today, so there's a bunch of crumbs all over the floor, and I haven't wiped them down in a few days, so it's probably pretty dirty. So let's see how much you can pick up. I'm going to press the hard button and press the button that's over here. Finished cleaning my kitchen floors, and now I just want to see what we got out of the kitchen floor. Look at how gross that is. And I mopped my floors 2 days ago. That is gross. Let's see how much crumbs it got out. Wow. I'm not gonna lie, that is really impressive. Now I'm gonna dump it out into the sink with, like, after I opened it, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse it out. And everything comes out. It's really easy to clean. You do have to clean it every time you use it, so it doesn't start to smell. Ew, look at that. That picks up a lot. So I'm just going to rinse it, and then I'm going to go ahead and test it out on bigger crumbs. I'm going to throw some cereal on the floor and see if it picks it up as a regular vacuum. I'm going to be throwing some cereal on the floor, and I'm going to use it as a regular vacuum without the water. And I'm going to see if it picks it up easily. It picked up the cereal very easily, and usually I have a hard time with my regular vacuum picking it up, and I have a Dyson, so that's pretty impressive. So now I'm going to go ahead and test it out on my rug. I'm going to use it as a wet vacuum and see how it does, and I'll show you what it picks up after I'm done. And this is all the stuff that came out of it. I mean, my kids were eating here, so all that crumbs is probably from that. But look at all that hair it picked up, and look how dirty the water is. Now I'm going to go dump it out, and I'll clean out the can, and then I'm going to go ahead and test it on an egg. I'm going to drop an egg on the floor and see if it can pick that up. Okay, so now I'm going to be testing how this would clean up a big mess. I'm going to be dropping an egg on the floor, and we're going to vacuum over it. And give you my overall thoughts of this vacuum. I think it does exactly as it advertises to do. It picks up everything. I mean, it vacuums and it mops at the same time, and it really works. This is definitely going to be a time saver, and I love it so much. It's picked up so much off my floors. I had no idea my floors were that dirty. I literally clean them all the time. So I'm definitely surprised with this vacuum in a good way. There's only a couple things that I didn't like. One is that you do have to clean it out every time you use it. I mean, if you're going to be using it a couple times a day, it's fine if you clean it at the end of the day. But you have to clean it out, and you have to let all the parts dry, or else it will start to smell. Another thing is, on the thicker carpets inside the rooms, the dry vacuum part worked very well, but the wet vacuum on thicker carpets didn't work out very well. On area rugs, it works great. It picked up everything. But on the thicker rugs, I probably would still use my Dyson on that. But for the rest of the house, on the tile, the area rugs, and the wood, this is perfect. It picks up everything. I definitely recommend this vacuum for anyone who's looking for a vacuum that mops at the same time. It picks up everything, and I'm really loving it so far. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.